We thought we understood the universe. We thought of the expansion of the universe as a settled science, but we were wrong. The James Webb Space Telescope and Hubble telescope combined just provided the most astounding confirmation in the history of modern astronomy that the universe behaves the way we do, believing in different relationships. Decades of cosmological theory collapse. Measurements that were once consistent now contradict each other. And it got even worse. There may be a force beyond the known universe, is changing the laws of physics themselves. This is not just a theoretical crisis. This is our understanding of space, the complete collapse of the understanding of time and even reality itself. It all began with an ambitious vision, combining the near-infrared capabilities of the James Webb Telescope with the visible light precision of the Hubble telescope. And as a result, we're able to look at the early universe with as much clarity and depth as we used to call it. But what astronomers found wasn't beauty. It's a contradiction. They discovered a huge ZFG UDVs. It's too big and too old to exist. According to current cosmological models, there wasn't enough matter in the early universe. There's not enough time to form such a structure. And that's just the beginning. More galaxies appear. Black holes are much more massive than they should be for their age. And here's the most shocking data point. The expansion rate of the universe varies depending on where it is observed. For years, astronomers have used the Haack constant to calculate the expansion rate of the universe. But now, the James Webb and Hubble telescopes are based on direct observations of light-varying stars and structures from distant galaxies. Completely incompatible results. Mubo Prize winner, lead researcher Adam Rees claims, if measurement errors are excluded, the only plausible explanation is that our understanding of the universe is fundamentally wrong. This mismatch is not a minor bias, and that is a chasm, enough to destroy the foundation of the Big Bang expansion model. Some call it attention, and now people are starting to call it his true essence, a crisis. Just as the scientific community was shocked, astrophysicist Regan Gupta proposed a radical idea. The universe is not 13.70 billion years old. He's close to 10 billion. According to Gupta, we misunderstood the nature of space itself. He believed that light doesn't just stretch, it hides information. And what we've always thought of as matter and energy may not exist at all. His model eliminates the need for mysterious cosmic forces and suggests that our understanding of a vacuum is itself wrong. If this view holds true, so from Einstein's general theory of relativity to quantum field theory, all theories will need to be rewritten. Other physicists have now come up with an even more bizarre idea, that our universe is being influenced by some force from outside it. They propose irregular expansion may be due to attractive forces from the nearby universe. These attractive forces pull time from outside the observable edit. This is not science fiction. It's based on actual mathematical modeling and observations with the James Webb and Hubble telescopes. This would explain why the farther we look, the more incomplete the laws of physics seem. We may not be alone, not only in the universe, more in reality itself. For many years, dark energy was thought to be the mysterious force driving the expansion of the universe. He's just a hypothetical, an elegant certainty to explain the accelerated expansion observed in deep sky galaxies. But now James Webb's observations are going through. Overturn this theory. If the expansion varies in different regions, and galaxies are forming faster and earlier than expected, then, according to energy, it might not exist at all. Instead, it could be that some kind of undetected matter is affecting the structure of the universe. If energy collapses as a theory, this means that the percentage of the known universe is a miscalculation. This is not a correction. It's a cosmic identity crisis. Although independent researchers publish papers and give media interviews, when NASA, ESA, and other space agencies are silent, there is no official crisis declaration, no withdrawal of the Lambda CDM model, just a carefully worded statement about data complexity and early surprises. According to an insider, the International Cosmological Commission held a closed-door meeting. A leaked memo purportedly describes the incident as a point of turmoil. Do not disclose to the public until the risk to the public is assessed. Why keep it a secret? Because admitting that the universe no longer works as intended would revolutionize everything from funding science to philosophy, religion, and all aspects of geopolitics. Some physicists now believe that, and these inconsistencies are not spatial in origin, it's about time. According to this model, time may not be limited. In the universe, in some areas, time itself may flow at different rates. It depends on the density of the substance, vacuum fluctuations, and even interactions with other dimensions. This could explain why distant galaxies appear older than they should be, because they may live on different clocks. If this is true, this rift is the essence of the cosmic timeline. This means that the Big Bang was not a single event. He might just be a 0-1. And we are just a wave in a much larger, multi-dimensional storm. A theory that is less discussed in academic circles in Turian is gradually gaining acceptance. It's called the phase transition model of the universe. According to this theory, the universe may experience a shift in the laws of physics, just as water freezes and turns to ice or evaporates into gas. And the scarf and the strange data obtained by the Hubble telescope could be a sign that our universe is on the verge of such a transition. These are not malfunctions, they are precursors. If the change of lieutenant occurs, whether it takes 1,000 years or 1,000 seconds, the laws of physics can be reconstructed instantaneously. Reality as we know it will reboot the light. Attractive forces and even time will no longer be the same. For over a century, we believe we are uncovering the secrets of the universe, measure his expansion, draw his birth, engrave his laws in history. But the James Webb Space Telescope revealed a deeper truth. We're not discovering the universe. We only see what he allows us to see. Now those illusions are crumbling. The laws we once trusted are breaking down. Time may not flow forward at the same speed in all directions. And the space between galaxies might not be expanding into nothingness, but to something more complex. A more vibrant existence expands. What we think of as energy may be nothing. What we call background radiation could be a signal. And our hypothetical stochastic expansion may be the result of some force we have not yet dared to name. We no longer ask how the universe began. We are now asking him if he is still starting, or worse. Is he about to end? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Are we witnessing the collapse of the cosmic order? Or are we witnessing the first signs of a transformation that has happened and will happen again? Subscribe and notification opt, because if the universe is rewriting itself, we have just read the first lines of the new reality.